The new Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro have just arrived with smarter AI audio and improved adaptive ANC, and now they are going up against the popular Apple AirPods Pro 3. In this video, we are going a full in-depth comparison covering price, design, sound quality, battery life and key features. So by the end, you will clearly know which one is better choice for you. So let's start. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and the Apple AirPods Pro 3. If this comparison helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe Smart Tech Radar for more simple and honest tech comparisons. And let me know in the comments which one should you choose. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.